Everybody, welcome. We're here at the table and we're going to look at this thing real quick. I mentioned in the last video where I modded this high voltage DIY deal. I told you I had some other idea in mind, and that's what it is. A fan. This is a fan from, I think it's a Sidewinder fan. But what I've done is I've taken the case. This is totally a hack job, but I vented it for cooling purposes, because this servo isn't meant to run on 12 volts, but it's going to run on 12 volts. I did the bench test last night, and we're going to go out and do the field test right now, so let's check it out. Okay, field testing the 35 kg DIY direct power high voltage Chinese internet servo. It's running on 12 volts right now. And we're going to try and make this climb in the wet weather. Still hanging in there. So we're gonna go up this way now. See what we can do on this section, which looks like it's gonna be, of course it's gonna be no problem. No more brownouts, that's for sure. Direct power. We got that direct power, folks. Yeah, bud, there we go. Let's walk up the trail here. So apparently everything seems to be holding up pretty well with that Chinese internet servo on direct power 12 volts. I'm gonna open up the hood here. That's the fan blowing. You can see that. I don't know if you can see, I've got some venting going on. Oh boy. A little venting going on. I vented the case so air can pass through. So I got an actual functioning cooling system on this bad boy. That's probably it's gonna help, but potentially hurt if I suck a bunch of water or dust or something in there. I'm not too worried about the dust because it's sealed off from the gear portion of the servo, but you know, moisture could affect the electronics, which I'm not real worried about. This is This is all in the name of science, like I said. There we go. I'm gonna just say it. Still could be too soon, but save yourself a bunch of money. You don't need a BEC. You don't need to go buy, even though even though they're all very nice, and we all like nice, pretty things, expensive things also, but there's no need. Save yourself some money and do this hack, this mod for yourselves. Seems to be working. Seems to be working for me.